Hi, my name is Denise Myrick of Keller Bay Area Estates, and welcome to 4715 Canyon River Court, a charming 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome in Tanglewood community. This home features beautifully updated floors, a glass tile fireplace, updated kitchen and bathrooms, inside laundry, and much, much more. On the outside back patio are brand new fencing on both sides, and it's a perfect area to entertain. As well, there's a full 2-car garage. Within the complex, this house is in the perfect location as it overlooks the junior Olympic-sized pool as well as jacuzzi and clubhouse. And within the San Jose community, Tanglewood is situated close to shopping, schools, parks, and easy access to highways 85 and 87. This is a great opportunity you don't want to miss. Give us a call today for more information.